Hello everyone and greetings of the day, and in my today's lecture series I would like to discuss about the role of jingles and music. And you know that in the advertisement we have the amplified expressions of dramas, scenes, songs, singing, and the various we can say the scenic beauty which we are seeing in the advertisements, and the advertisers are utilizing these appeals in a very effective way. सो आज के इस लेक्चर में मैं म्यूज़िक का क्या रोल है और सॉन्ग्स का क्या रोल है एडवर्टीज़मेंट में, जो कस्टमर्स के ऊपर बहुत ज़्यादा इम्पैक्ट डालते हैं, और पुराने गानों के माध्यम से बहुत सारी कंपनीज़ ने अपने प्रोडक्ट्स को मार्केट में ऑफ़र किया है विद द हेल्प ऑफ द म्यूज़िक एंड द जिंगल्स. So music plays an important role in attracting audience towards a brand. Popular brands know the value of jingles in advertisements, and there are some who even use the nostalgic power of Bollywood songs also to make their campaigns successful. So while researching for the topic, we got to see a trend that brands use Bollywood songs mostly to convey romance in their advertisements. Yes, romance is one of the main appeal in the case of to attracting the customer's attention in the advertisements. So here are the some of the brands which are using the very good old songs in their advertisements, and they are catching the attentions of the customers. So the first is the TVS Scooty Pep, and in this advertisement of this TVS Scooty Pep, a very popular song has been used by the company, that mud mud ke na dekh mud mud ke na dekh mud ke. So this is the song which is used by the companies. And in the another ad in the for the similar brand, there is another famous song which is used by the company in and one girl is waiting for the traffic signal, and she was just symbolize that in the form of singing to the traffic police personnel, and that song is जाने दो ना पास आओ ना. Okay, like this. So this is another song which is the old famous song. Then second brand is Nissan Micra. Yes, with the brand endorser as a Ranbir Kapoor, Nissan Micra films in their brand that चला जाता हूँ किसी की धुन में रस्ते दिल के तराने लिए. So in this way, so Nissan Micra has utilized this song in its advertisement, and it was quite successful also. Then third one is the Nestle Kit Kat. Yes, in this very funny advertisement, कंपनी ने गिलहरीज को यूज़ किया है. दो फ्रेंड्स हैं, वो पार्क में बैठे हुए हैं. वन फ्रेंड्स हैज़ गिव आउट द किट कैट फ्रॉम हिज पॉकेट, एंड he just shared with his friend also. In the meanwhile, one squirrel is coming in the park, which is the animated, and that song was sung, काटे नहीं कटते ये दिन ये रात. So in this way the squirrels are dancing on this tune and music of this काटे नहीं कटते. So again this is a successful advertisement campaign. Then fourth brand is Raymond, right? This is also quite surprising that Raymond has used this popular old song in its advertisement, wherein a man upstairs and one woman is watching him, and a song has played that सामने ये कौन आया दिल में हुई हलचल. So in this way Raymond has successfully again this projected the brand by utilizing this old song. The next brand we have Wildstone. Again the popular song has used by the company in the Wildstone advertisement, and the song was ऐसे ना मुझे तुम देखो सीने से लगा लूँगा. So like this. So Wildstone has also used this old popular song in the advertisement of the in the advertisement campaign. Next we have this sixth brand, the Paper Boat. Yes, the Paper Boat is quite popular nowadays, and with the eco-friendly packaging used by the Paper Boat, quite attracting to the customers also, and the green packaging also gives the symbol of environmental friendly product. So again the famous old song was utilized by the Paper Boat in its advertisement campaign, that हम होंगे कामयाब एक दिन हाँ मन में है विश्वास. Like this. If you have a dream, then your dreams will be definitely got successful. Then seventh is the Coca-Cola brand. Again, Coca-Cola has used its innovation practices in the advertisement campaign always, because in the product they don't have any kind of scope in the case of creativity and innovation. So in this case they have the only means that they have to create such kind of good advertisement campaign that's catch the attention of the customers. So one of the famous song was used by the company, तुम जो मिल गए हो ये जहां मिल गया है. So like this famous song was used by the Coca-Cola to get the attraction of the customers. The next brand is the Secret Temptation. Yes, again the famous song was used, and the Shraddha Kapoor as a brand endorser for the advertisement campaign, that बेकरार करके हमें. Like this song was the famous song again, old song which was used by the company to advertise their product. Then next brand is the Bharti AXA Insurance. Yes, in this Bharti AXA Insurance wants to show some integrity of the insurance policies, and one salesperson of the insurance policy seller knocked the door of the one customer, and the song played, आप यहाँ आए किस लिए आपने बुलाया इसलिए. So in this way that humor is created by the companies in their advertisement. Then 10th brand is the Double Mint. Yes, Mint brand again has a very good advertisement campaign, and the famous song which was used by the company is that एक अजनबी हसीना से यूं मुलाकात हो गई. So start something fresh. That's the tagline of this Double Mint brand, and the advertisers has used these campaigns very carefully and meticulously, and the matching the product features with the songs which they have used for the advertisement campaign. So which is your favorite among all these? Share your views also in the comment box in the comment section, and take care of yourself. I hope you liked my this lecture also, and be safe. Thank you so much.